It's hard to believe it's been 40 years since the Schultz family planted roots in Seattle. Ever since Sheri started the foundation, she's dedicated her life to helping the most vulnerable in the city. As a partner to Sheri, I've had a front row seat to the commitment and heart she's brought to the work.
When I first met Sheri in 1995, she was going out on the streets of Seattle at night to help homeless youth. What struck me was Sheri's humanity and how easily she connected with these young people.
It has been an amazing gift to have Sheri come beside Mary's Place and our community for over 25 years. It always amazed me how she was able to come in and build these relationships with our guests and our staff. And she leaned in and she helped us develop a diversion program that led to national best practices and then did the exact same thing with prevention. And so families wouldn't have to leave their homes. It has been a game changer in Seattle and King County.
Sheri's never comfortable with the what is. She always encourages us to think about what could be. For example, during the pandemic, we created the Washington COVID Response Corps as a way to address food insecurity across the state of Washington. At the same time, we noticed the rise of young people struggling with their mental health, and Sheri encouraged us to take what we had learned to launch the National Youth Mental Health Corps. It's such an innovation because we're able to use national service in a new way that addresses real crisis and creates opportunity simultaneously.
We measure the Kraken relative to wins and losses.
And he scores!
But if there was an agate for lives impacted, lives affected, I think Sheri'd be in first place. We are working together on a project on Memorial Stadium. The Schultz Family Foundation has really inspired us to think more broadly and think about the stadium as a living classroom. Sheri cares deeply about the journey of young people, believing that there's potential everywhere, but what's missing often is opportunity.
Her ability to do this hard work and bring partners along with her to ensure a positive outcome is truly amazing.
And the best part is, Sheri is not finished yet. Her force of love will continue to be a force for change.
In this next chapter of our foundation, we're going to double down on our hometown with a commitment to partnerships across all sectors to really get things done.
It's an ongoing story of contribution as we enter this age of intelligence. We have a tremendous responsibility to create greater opportunity accessible to all.